Stop overcomplicating your Instagram bio. This is how you get it done. In your Instagram bio, the first thing that people look at is your handle. Your handle doesn't necessarily have to have a keyword for your business, but it is helpful. My username, for example, is Ginger Starboarding, which is my name because I'm a personal brand. But if I had Get Social with Ginger or Marketing Ginger, that would make my handle more searchable. So it is useful and important to not have characters in here or underscores. We just don't remember things like that. So having your name there or some type of name that ties back to your business in there that's searchable is going to be a much better option for you. The next field is the name field. Now, typically what I tell people is to have at least your first name there. And the reason for this is because it's like saying, hi, my name is Ginger. And then you want keywords here. You want to have keywords that people are going to search because this is the only other searchable field in your Instagram bio. For instance, mine, I have IG growth and marketing, and I also have community focus. Any of these keywords put together are all going to come back to my account. You can have up to 64 characters in the name field. This is a lot of real estate for you to be able to use and put in a lot of keywords. So just focus on keywords. Now in my bio, I have dots between each of the areas. You could have slashes there. That really doesn't matter. You are just listing out basically your keywords for your business. That's super important. The next field down is the body of your bio. Now, typically the standard for the body of your bio is like an I help statement. A lot of people will get to that first line in your bio and they don't get any further unless it speaks to them. So you want it to speak to them, to tell them who you are helping and with what. So my bio says, I help fempreneurs double your reach. Boom. If they're on my page and they are not interested in doubling their reach on Instagram, they know that they can move on. However, if that captured their attention, then they move to the next line of my bio. Clarity plus connections equals growth and clients. I'm using that word play both in the name field and in the body of my bio. Then I'm giving a call to action. Follow to attract your ideal audience. You can have more than one call to action. I know that you hear a lot of times that you can only have one call to action, but this is an actionable call to action that tells them why they should be on my page, why they should be following me. I'm not asking them to do anything like click a link here. I'm just telling them if this information is good for you, go ahead and click follow. Follow is also another word that you can use in your bio that makes people want to take action. Daily is another word. So there's follow and there's daily. Whenever you have follow or daily in your bio, statistically, you get more followers based on this. Follow because you're asking them to follow along. And if you have like daily tips, follow for daily advice, then you're telling people what to expect from you. You're telling people exactly why they should be there. For more Instagram masterclasses, follow this playlist.